So naghahanap ka ba ng phone na Tecno Camon 30? Kung nakita mo tong video na to, nasa tamang YouTube channel ka. Dahil ngayon is magpa-price update tayo ngayon sa Tecno Camon 30. At bali titingnan natin yung specs, yung battery, at yung storage ng Tecno Camon 30 na phone. So ayan yung tatlong Tecno Camon 30 nila. Mayroong 256 of internal storage, 512, at yung isa Tecno Camon 30 Premier na 512 yung internal storage. Bali sa front box muna tayo. First, Tecno Camon 30 5G, 256 of internal storage, 16GB of RAM. Yung Tecno Camon 30 5G, mayroon din siyang version na 512 of internal storage, 16GB of RAM. At yung isa naman is Tecno Camon 30 Premier 5G, 512 of internal storage, 24GB of RAM. Bali dito is si Tecno Camon 30 Premier 5G, mayroong 60x hybrid zoom, Sony, steady night, portrait. Dito naman sa kabila is infrared, remote control, OIS, steady night, portrait, at same lang din dito sa kabila. So si Tecno Camon 30 5G na 256 of internal storage, ito yung back ng box niya. Autofocus, yung selfie cam niya is 50, yung OIS steady niya is 50 din, yung battery niya is 5000 mAh battery, 70 watts, ultra charge. Yung phone na to is 6.78, 120Hz refresh rate, MediaTek Dimensity 7025G. Yung fingerprint niya is on display. Dito naman tayo sa pangalawa, yung 512 of internal storage. Yung camera niya is same lang din. Yung selfie is 50. Yung night portrait or yung back cam niya is 50. 70 watts, ultra charge, 5000 mAh battery. Yung size ng phone is 6.78, 120Hz refresh rate, 7020 yung Dimensity or yung chipset niya, 5G. Yung fingerprint is on display din. Next is ito naman si Tecno Camon 30 Premier 5G na mayroong storage na 512. MediaTek 8200, 70 watts ultra charge, 50 megapixel cameras, at saka Sony yung main camera niya or yung back cam niya. 60x hybrid zoom, tapos mayroon siyang AMOLED screen. Sa Tecno Camon series, ito yung pinaka-the best kasi yung front cam is 50 megapixel, yung back cam is Sony camera, at yung Dimensity naman niya or yung chipset niya is 8200 Ultimate 5G. Bali, compare natin doon sa kanyang battery. Bali, yung price is ilalagay ko lang din yun sa screen. Bali, compare natin yung mga battery niya. First, itong si Tecno Camon 30 5G na mayroong 256 of internal storage. Yung battery niya, yung battery is 5000 mAh battery, yung charger is 70 watt ultra charge. Yung Tecno Camon 30, mayroong 512 of internal storage, is 5000 mAh battery din. Ito naman si Tecno Camon 30 Premier, is same lang din sila ng battery. So ayan yung battery ni Tecno Camon 30 Premier 5G, 5000. Yung sa battery is same lang sila na mga battery. Yung sa charger is same lang din, 70 watt ultra charge. Yung sa camera is ito yung pinaka-the best kasi Sony camera yung gamit niya sa ito is same lang sila ng mga camera. 50 megapixel front and back, 50 megapixel front and yung chipset niya is 7020 5G, 7020 5G. Yung laki naman niya is 6.78, 6.78 yung display niya. Ito naman sa display, 6.77 AMOLED display yung itong si Tecno Camon 30 Premier 5G. Bali, ito yung Tecno Camon 30 nila na phone na series. So, sa gustong bumisita dito sa Tecno Camon na phone, nandito sila located sa Gmall na Buntoran. At bali, yan yung Tecno Camon series nila na 30. At yung price is ilalagay ko lang din yun sa screen. At sana nakatulong tong video na to. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At paki-comment na rin kung ano ba yung gusto nyong phone na i-content natin next vlog natin. Thank you! Bye-bye!